Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to access Indeed email right from the app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Indeed app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the Play Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one. Now, in order to access your Indeed email, you need to go to your account settings. Here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. From the given options, choose Profile. Now at the top section, you can see your details, your emails, your phone number and your location. So tap on this section. Here you will see your contact informations. I haven't uploaded any informations as of now. Now, if you scroll down, here you can see the email option. You can see which email you have set for your account. If you want to change your email, you can tap on this edit option right over here. Here you can enter your new email address and tap on this save email option. And you will be able to change your email address associated with your Indeed account. So that's it. That's how you can access your Indeed email right from the app. It's a very simple and easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.